wish Cousin Milo would just get here already, Dee Dee. I hate waiting almost as much as the goats hate bath day.
I know, Jay. We have so much fun together. Having a third cousin is going to be amazing. I think I hear a car, though. He might be here. Milo, you finally made it.
Hey guys, the moving vans showed up and Mom said I could come say hi to my favorite cousins. I still can't believe my folks finally bought farmland and moved back out here near the rest of the family. It's gonna be a big change from city life.
You mean it's gonna be awesome?
Yeah, I think so too. It sure is quiet around here though. What do you guys do for fun?
Oh, we keep busy.
I'll say, watch this. You know how I've always liked to tinker and invent? Well, since Mom and Dad let me use the barn as a lab, I've kind of gotten carried away.
I mean, wow.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Check this out. You could say my wheels have really been spinning.
Guys, this is incredible. You made all this?
Well, with a little help. The chickens run the lab.
The pigs are our pit crew. They love getting greasy and dirty because, you know, pigs.
I get it. Get it. Look, what do the goats do?
Yeah, they're just goats.
Wait, you made that?
Yep, it's all based on a John Deere tractor, with some modifications.
This might be the coolest thing I've ever seen.
We call them John Deere Monster Treads! We've got lots more of them, too. It's too bad none of us can drive.
You made all of these and you can't... Okay, I have good news. I've taken driver's ed, and my folks said it would be fine if I drove around on our farmland. I just have to stay off the road.
Off-road? Off-road? John Deere Monster Treads are made for off-road! This is gonna be so
Mr. J, I have an incoming emergency message from JD Link. It appears a fire has sprung up on the back acreage. If unstopped, it will threaten the beef cattle and their calves.
Who was that?
That was Deere. She's an artificial intelligence system I whipped up. We can talk to her through the computer, or our drone, or our watches, pretty much anywhere.
She's actually called Dedicated Engineering Enhanced Robotronic Entity, but that's a lot, so she's just dear to us.
She's certainly dear to me.
As that is my designation, I am dear to everyone.
But what are we going to do about the fire? It will take ages for the fire department to get all the way out there, and in the meantime, the cows and calves are in danger.
I know. We could get there on bikes, but we couldn't carry the equipment. It's too bulky.
I kind of invented a mobile fire suppression super bubble unit to kill the time. Well, it was really the chicken's idea mostly. But there's no way we can get it there.
Guys, I have an idea. Milo, you said you can drive.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah! I'll stay here and coordinate through JD Link and our drone team. You can hear me through the dashboard communicator. Good luck!
You have arrived at your destination.
Thanks, dear. I think we could have figured that one out on our own.
You are welcome.
Let's get the bubble fire thingy. You're sure this will work?
You don't know Jay. If he says it will work, it will definitely do the job.
Ah, thanks, cuz. Just aim the hose and press the big red button. It's pretty foolproof. Not that you're fools.
Come on!
Yeah, all right, we
You
did it.
did it!
Good job.
Woo!
This is
Great.
awesome.
You did it! Woo!
Mission accomplished.
I guess we should head back and thank Jay and the chickens in person. What a great feeling seeing the cows safe and happy again.
Yeah, it really is. I could get used to this.
Okay, we can head back past that field of what is that stuff anyway?
Milo.
Yeah, what?
No, the crop. That stuff's called Milo.
You're kidding. I've never heard of it.
That's because you're a city boy. It makes good animal feed, and you can even make biofuel from it. In fact, this John Deere Monster Tread runs on Milo-based fuel.
Ha! I guess I'm a natural on the farm after all. We did it. All of us. Together.
Well, that was more exciting than I expected your first day to be here, Milo.
Yeah, your welcome was pretty lit.
Oh my...
We showed you a real hot time.
You really gotta,
I can't do this anymore.
Temperatures at this time are in fact at the seasonal average. We do not expect hot temperatures until...
It was a joke, dear.
You know, guys, I've been thinking. This probably isn't the last time a problem's gonna come up.
You've got that right. Life on a farm is one thing after another. We've got innovations like drones and John Deere Starfire 6000 to help, but you never know what will happen next.
Starfire 6000? That sounds awesome. What? Wait, tell me later, because I have an idea. Why don't we form a... John Deere Monster Treads team! You know, the three of us. Plus Deere. And the chickens. And the pigs. And the goats. We can be a first response team when emergencies happen on the farm.
Yes, and I can start inventing more equipment right now. To start with, we're going to need more John Deere Monster Treads, lots more, with bigger wheels and bigger buttons and much more and shiny.
And Milo and I can be the field team. I knew all these skills I've learned on the gymnastics team would come in handy.
And I'll drive.
And I shall provide you with more information when necessary.
It's a deal.
John Deere Monster
John
Treads!
Deere Monster Treads. Oh, were we doing this?